Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and going to General, About, then Name. That field controls your hotspot label. You do this because Personal Hotspot broadcasts the device name, not a separate hotspot label. Once done, tap the Name field and type the new hotspot name you want. Make it short and recognizable. Make sure to avoid special characters that devices might strip. After saving, give iOS a moment to register the change before proceeding to enable sharing. Once you've renamed the device, return to Settings and open Personal Hotspot. Toggle Personal Hotspot on so the new name becomes visible to others. You also need to set a secure Wi-Fi password here. Choose a strong passphrase to prevent unauthorized access. Make sure Allow Others to Join is enabled. If you plan to share via Bluetooth or USB, connect the device accordingly. Those methods use the same hotspot identity. After enabling, watch for the new name on the target device's Wi-Fi list. Test by scanning Wi-Fi networks on a laptop or another phone and confirm the new hotspot name appears. If it doesn't show, turn Personal Hotspot off, restart your iPhone, then enable it again. Simple restarts often force the update. Make sure the other device's Wi-Fi is refreshed. If problems persist, update iOS and, as a last resort, reset network settings. But know this clears saved Wi-Fi passwords. That troubleshooting step usually resolves stubborn name or connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.